There's dings and dents in the barnwood furniture. Guess what? Easy to fix. This is a Briwax. It's spelled Briwax, but I'm going to use a Tudor brown Briwax. We're going to get a little $2 brush. This is available anywhere. I'm going to use Old English because this is available everywhere and it really works great and it really works fast. A rag. You know my favorite thing for touching up furniture? Yes, it's just a simple magic marker, but on darker furniture, it works like magic. And I'm going to use a 320 sandpaper, sharp blade. Slice that splinter out using a sharp blade. Get rid of the piece, and I'm going to use a 320 sandpaper. Fold it up so it's a nice tight piece. I dip a little bit of that in there. You see that? I'm not going to use much at all. Then I paint and fill that crack completely. I'm going to let that set for a second. Take a rag, you're going to buff it out. And there you have it. It's a big, ugly mar. So we're going to fix that today. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that, let that sit for a sec, and wipe that wax off. I'm going to buff this out. The scar just went away, and now it just looks like character. It looks like part of the rest of the table. So there's a little ding right here. I just made that. But a quick, easy fix for this, it's like magic. I'm going to use a magic marker because you can see all these other areas have that dark, and I'll do that with the marker, and I'll just push it around with my finger a little bit with a rag, wipe that off, fixed. That's why they call them magic markers. Something that you see quite a bit. This is a sweat ring. Get yourself a sharp instrument like this knife I've got here, and you want to remove the finish, making sure I get all that little white area. Just like that. So that's, you can see where the ring was, some 320 sandpaper. A little bit of light sanding like that. Just a couple of drops like that. Push it around wherever I sanded. Now, this you don't have to wait to dry or anything. You just wipe it on and then wipe it off. The ring is gone, literally gone.